back to my channel Kids Roma. Myself Risha, and today I am here with some crafts. Today we are going to see how to make bookmarks. So we are going to make 3 crafts, 2 bookmarks, and the third one is a surprise for all of you. So let's start with the first one. This was number 1 and this is number 2. Let's start making number 2. For the number 2, you need a piece of paper of 9 cm and 4 cm like this. 19 cm like this. So let's start making. centimeter like this and 28 centimeter like this. So let's start. Fold the upper part into like this. Now put the tail, which is extra, back. Hold it and the longer tail, tie it in a knot. Be covered. For that, pull more bit of this and press it. Again pull and press. Now this extra tail should be like this. Now the longer strip should be folded like this. But be careful not to do it like this, but like this. Keep on doing this until the long fold has finished. Now the extra long part, put it on the fold of the last one, so it is locked completely. If you want to stick this, then you can stick it too. Now take a clip and hold it like this. These two fingers like this, then like this, and one finger at the lower for the base. Take the clips end part and push in each and every corner on the sides of the corners. Now press a little bit from all the corners and see. And see what have I made for all of you. Yes, this is a lucky paper star. Yay! Your lucky paper stars are ready. You can make them in any such colors. Lucky paper stars. These are the things which we made today. A panda bookmark, a Pikachu bookmark, and special lucky stars. So that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed learning the bookmark making and the special star. If you like this video, share it with your friends and families. Till then,